Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So these are the today's news for Euro, and we are having not any news for USD. So most likely the volatility today will be quite less in the market. So let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below the strong low. This breaking of the strong low gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the price a bullish push. So currently there is nothing more to see into the monthlies. Let's move to the weeklies. So this is the weekly chart, and the price had reacted from this unmitigated candle which was responsible for the bearish move into the market. So the price reacted right here and moved into the downward direction. But currently we are sweeping the swing low of the weeklies and the price is moving into the upside direction. So let's move to the dailies now. So I don't find anything clear into the dailies. I'll be directly moving to the 4 hours now. So this is the 4-hour chart, and we can clearly see that we were having a strong high. The price reacted from this strong high, and currently we are accumulating after that reaction. So now let's move to the 1 hours. So this is the 1 hour chart, and into the 1 hour we are having this unmitigated wick and we are having equal highs, and the price is reacting from this zone somewhere here. So for a precise picture, let's move to the 30 minutes. So this is the 30-minute chart, and the price is reacting from relative strong high into the smaller time frames, and we are into the Asia sessions right now. So let's move to the 15 minutes for the buyers for today. So this is the 15-minute chart, and we can see, and the price is mitigating this high. So if we are going to break this high, most likely we are going to go above, take all these liquidities, and then move into the downward direction from the unmitigated wick of the higher time frame, taking all these equal lows accumulated right here. So my today's bias is, if the price is going to fail this strong high, that is relative strong high, I'll be anticipating the price to move into the upside direction and react from the higher time frame POI towards these equal lows. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.